Welcome students. We are discussing the topic from political and social life, what is government. In this topic, we'll discuss about what is government, need for the government or functions of the government, levels of government, and also about types of government. So first let's discuss about what is government. A group of people or elected body managing the affair of a country is called government. Need for government. Make decision and get things done. To decide about developmental works of a country or state. To take action and solve many social issues. To maintain law and order, to look after welfare of people by providing health, education, etc., to build infrastructure like roads, dams, school, colleges, etc., to plan for natural disaster or natural calamities, to protect boundaries of the country and maintain peaceful relation with the other countries, to govern country according to laws of the land. So this is about what is government and also about need for the government. Levels of the government. In India, government works at three different levels, that is local, state and national. Local. The functioning of government at local level is called local self-government. There are two levels of local self-government in India, that are rural and urban. The functioning of government at village level is called rural, and at the city level or urban level is called urban local self-government. The state. The functioning of government at state level is called state government. There are 29 state government in India working at each state. For example, Goa state government or government of Goa in Goa, Maharashtra state government or government of Maharashtra working in Maharashtra. National. The functioning of government to the entire country is called national government. So we discuss about different levels of government, that is local, state and national. Types of government. Monarchy government. In monarchy system of government, king or queen runs the government, has power to make decision or they take decision with their own wish. The monarch may have small group of people to discuss matters with, but final decision making power remain with the monarch, that is king or queen. Unlike in democracy, kings or queens don't have to explain about how they have their action or defend the decision they take. Our neighboring country Nepal has monarchy system of government or monarch type of government. So this is about monarchy system of government. Dictatorship of government. In this form of government, all the powers rests in the hands of one person or a small group of people. Countries like Egypt and Syria has this form of government. Democratic government. In democratic form of governments, rulers are elected by the people to rule the country or govern themselves. The basic idea is that people rule themselves by participating in the making of rules and decisions. India is one of the greatest democratic country in the world. The main features of democratic government is the universal adult franchise. That means all adult citizens have equal voting right irrespective of caste, creed, gender, race, color, etc. It is the most popular form of government in the world. So with this, we have completed the topic, what is government. In this topic, we have discussed what is government, what are the main function or need of the government, what are the different levels of the government, and also about types of government. So go through the topic properly and study it properly. Thank you.